You have 10 minutes, or the city goes dark.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to create this kind of movies using AI. The first step is to generate a script for your movie, either by yourself or by using AI. For me, I will be using ChatGPT to generate my story and the script. As you can see, I've already generated my script, which is Give Me a Hollywood Standard Action Movie, title, and script I can create. So you can see the response from ChatGPT, and the title is Last Signal. Here you can see the script has been generated, and also for the visuals, I asked ChatGPT to create 30 image prompts for this movie to visually tell the story from the start to the end. Below are 30 cinematic image prompts that visually tell the entire story for Last Signal. Now that our image prompts have been created, I'm just going to copy it, and then we head straight to Whisk, where we'll be creating the images. By typing Whisk on your browser, you will get to the Whisk platform. Here you can see two people. At the bottom left, click on Continue. Here we paste our prompt to generate image. I have generated all my images, so I will only be showing you how to use the platform with this image. You can go ahead and create your images the same way. Also, Whisk enables consistency. By simply clicking on the image, you can edit and maintain the same character. Now let's head straight to generate our videos using Grok. In Grok also, I have generated my videos, and I will be showing you the prompts I used to generate the videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.